Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add your shipping address to CDcare app. But first thing you need to do is to turn on your location service or GPS, whatever your phone calls it. Now go back to CDcare. Click on Account at the bottom right corner. Click on Delivery Address List. And here you have to click on Add New Address. Just put your house or street name. Select your state. Select your local government area. And select your town. Now the next thing to do is to click on Save Address. It will ask for your location permission. That's why I say you should turn on your location service first. Now click on OK. Now click on Allow while using this app. Click on Got It. Now if you want to verify your location, click on Verify and click on Got It. It's going to take some time to verify your location. So that's how you add your shipping address on CDcare. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.